Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I put up a makeup video and I was feeling a little bit inspired today, so I'm gonna do a full glam look. I'm not really sure what I'm going for. I'm just gonna do it how I would normally do my makeup if I was doing like a full glam going out look. So I'm just gonna play with some colors and products and see what I come up with. So hopefully you guys like it. And I'm just going to get right into it because this could be a long video. So let's go. I already washed my face and I just used this Equate Confidently Glowing Facial Cleanser. And my skin feels super soft. I just tried this today and I really like it. But now I'm going to get into some makeup. You know we gotta hydrate the skin, so I'm going to use this Physician's Formula Argan Oil. I don't even know. Argan oil stuff, and it comes in a bottle like this. And it's like almost a gold glowing serum. It's really pretty. So I'm going to take some of that. I'm going to use just a little bit because a little goes a long freaking way with this stuff. I'm just going to use my hands and rub it in all over my face. The key to long wearing makeup is making sure that your face is hydrated and prepped for foundation and everything else you're going to put on your face. So next I'm going to go in with a primer. So I'm going to use this Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer, and it almost is like a highlighter for your skin, but I just like it. I think it preps really well. I'm going to take this Real Techniques beauty sponge. I just got it. Everyone raves, so I'm going to try it. And I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. And I'm an O2 Natural. And I love this stuff. It's very high coverage, but you know, it works really well, so. I really like the sponge already just because it's easier to get around the sides of my face without getting into my hairline. And I don't know, I just like the flat side because it gets really in to all the creases on my face and it's blending out pretty nicely. Alright, next we're going to take some concealer. I'm going to use this Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, looks like, and we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. Going back with the same sponge, I'm going to blend it out. And I think I'm going to like this for my concealer a lot too because it will get super close to my eye for concealer. Alright, we're going to go in with the Coty Airspun, and this is the Transluscent one, I think. If not, it's the next lightest one. Ugh, there's like a hole in mine. It always sprays everywhere. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit of baking because full coverage it requires some bake. So I'm going to take this and pat it under my eye. Put that concealer on the other eye. Woo, girl. Okay. Yes, the sponge is the yes for me. So we're gonna do like this. So of course I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Blonde. That's what I always use. And then I'm going to take this little spoolie I just got in a little E.L.F. one. There's a hair on it. Had this E.L.F. one, and then I'm going to take, where'd it go? This little flat angled brush. It's really tiny and it's good for doing the brows. So I'm going to let's see if I can get it open. So first I'm going to spool through them. Make sure all the hairs are going the good direction. Let's check in this mirror. It's hard to do brows from afar. But that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to go in with this flat brush. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully the camera's focused. It's just this really small flat brush. It's very dense. And I'm going to take my concealer, wherever that went. Over. I'm just going to take this different concealer. So I'm going to take this Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer because it's very light and I like a lighter coverage concealer for under my brows. It just helps look a little bit more natural. So I'm just going to carve out underneath them. Put some of the Benefit Gimme Brow and Blonde over that, just to set my brow hairs in place. First I'm going to brush up and then to the side to get that fluffy look of my brows on the front. Okay, so then I'm just going to pat in that concealer under my brows just to make sure it's blended in. And I use my finger just because I find that it makes it blend a little bit nicer. So I'm going to go in with the powder and I'm going to pat it onto my skin. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. So I'm going to take the Hoola by Benefit Balm Bronzer, and then I'm just going to take this really big brush. I like to use a bigger brush just to make sure that my face is really bronzed, because full glam you've got to go bronze. So I'm going to go in with blush next, and I'm going to use Nars Orgasm. It is a beautiful pink, I mean, like almost corally highlighty blush. I don't know, I love it. And then I'm going to take this kind of angled, dense brush, tap into it a little bit, and then just press that into the apples of my cheeks. So I'm just going to take this really big, I don't even know, blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend those two together a little bit so that they're more seamless. I'm going to take my Morphe 35O palette for sure, because come on, how can you not love this palette? It's beautiful. Take this white tan neutral shade, and just get a really clean white neutral base for under my eye. And then I'm going to take this little crease blending brush from E.L.F. and I'm going to go in with a transition color first. So I think I'm going to do probably this brown right here, just to start out with, and I'm going to put that in the crease and blend it out really, really well. I like to go for darker colors if I'm going to be doing a full glam look, so alright sisters, we going all in. I'm going to use this really dark shade right here, and I'm just going to pat that onto the outer corners and then blend it out. Oh my god. So I use this little E.L.F. and it's like a packing blending brush, and I look crazy, but this is the best way I find to apply a darker shadow without getting a lot of fallout under the eyes. So now I'm going to take this Anastasia brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to blend all this out. Okay, and I want to build up more color on that, so I'm going to go back into that same shade, maybe mix it with a few of these browns around it, and pat that more onto the inner corner, just so I can get it to be a very ombre look on the eye. Alright, so now that I'm done doing the dark outer corner, I'm going to do the inner corner with the Stila Metal Eyeshadow, Magnificent Metal Eyes, and Dusty Rose. So this is what the inside looks like. I've used it a lot, so there's not much left, but it's very metallic, so... And I find that this stuff goes on best for me using my finger, so I'm going to use my finger even though I have nails. So my dumbass forgot to film a clip of me putting on my mascara, eyeliner, and lashes. So in the next clip, it's going to show me already having those done. But I used the E.L.F. liquid eyeliner in Jet Black, Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to coat my lashes before my lashes. And then for my falsies, I used the Ardell Wispies and the Duo Lash Glue. So it's just going to already be done in the next clip. I just feel like... for me personally, it helps me get more precise with it. Okay, so this side's probably dry, so I'm going to curl my lashes just to make sure that my real and my fake are blended. Alright, next is mascara on the lower lash line, or on the lower lashes. And I'm going to take this Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in Blonde, and I'm just going to put that through my brows with another flat angled brush for your brows. One more time with my spoolie just to make sure that all the product is evenly distributed. So next I'm going to spray my face with the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This stuff is awesome. Let's highlight, baby. So I'm going to take this fan brush and, of course, Anastasia Amrezy. Oh my gosh. You guys. It's like gold, like a gold bar in this palette. So I'm going to take that and put that on tops of my cheeks, kind of swirling my brush a little bit to make sure it's not too cakey looking. I like to do a highlight over the brows as well. On the tip of my nose and then a little bit on the bridge. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more blush just to bring more color to my face. And I'm going to kind of just take this big fluffy brush to blend. Alright, so next I'm going to do lips, and I'm going to take this NYX lip liner in Nude Pink, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to fill them in with the Sephora liquid lipstick in, I don't even know, 13? 13, the color 13. Alright, and to top it off, I'm going to spray my face with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I love the smell of this stuff and just this in general. Let's do like a little body highlight, like the collarbones. Yes! Amrezy. Let's do this. Maybe a little on the shoulders, like a healthy glow, you know? Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. It's just a really dark, sultry eye with some nice metallic glitter, false lashes, this beautiful mauve pink lip, and look at this glow. I love it. I love this look. I love full glam, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Leave me comments down below for new video ideas. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, but I really love this full glam look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to message me. For sure hit the subscribe button down below, turn on my post notifications. I would love, love, love to grow my channel, so please help me out. Share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've given me recently. I know I've been absent, but I really want to start getting into making videos again because I just absolutely love makeup, and I love showing you guys one of my few talents. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!